Hi, welcome to Enchiridion. I am very excited to share with you these facts on Tapejara. Tapejara was a Brazilian pterosaur from the Santana Formation of the Cretaceous Period, dating to about 112 million years ago. Tapejara crests consisted of a semicircular crest over the snout and a bony prong which extended back behind the head. As a living pterosaur, the crest of Tapejara would have almost undoubtedly been a display device as opposed to a functional appendage. By the time of the mid-Cretaceous when Tapejara lived, the pterosaurs had developed an array of different crests with diverse shapes and sizes. If the reason for the crest was to serve an aerodynamic function, it would have been likely that the pterosaurs would have developed only one or two different kinds to suit different lifestyles. No one appears to agree on a single feeding strategy for Tapejara, although most have depicted it as piscivorous, capturing fish from the sea, while others have suggested the beak was more suited for feeding upon the fruits of mid-Cretaceous plants. Some depictions even have Tapejara living as a scavenger, flying around looking for carcasses. To add further confusion to the nature of Tapejara, the scleral rings, which were compared to modern birds and reptiles, suggest it was a cathemeral pterosaur, meaning the Tapejara was active for short periods during both the day and the night. It is from the same time and place as creatures like thalassodromids Tupuxuara and Thalassodromeus, the pteranodontoid Cearadactylus, and the ornithocheirid Tropeognathus. Tapejara means ancient entity. The source of its name is a Tupi word meaning the old being. It was named by Kellner in 1989. It belongs to the kingdom Animalia, the phylum Chordata, the order Pterosauria, the suborder Pterodactyloidea, the family Tropeognathus, the subfamily Tapejaraini, the tribe Tapejarini, the genus Tapejara, and the species Tapejara welnhoferi. The Tapejaridae is a group of unusual toothless pterosaurs characterized by bizarre cranial crests. From a paleoecological point of view, frugivorous feeding habits have often been suggested for one of its included clades, the Tapejarini. The phylogenetic classification of Tapejara has been rather turbulent, with 3 species once being attributed to the genus, with the one surviving species being the first specimen, Tapejara welnhoferi. The other 2 species, Tapejara navigans and Tapejara imperator, have since been split to form the new genus Tropeognathus by Alexander Kellner and Diogenes de Almeida Campos, because several studies have shown these two to have been significantly different from Tapejara welnhoferi. Additionally, Unwill and Martel found that Tapejara imperator and Tapejara navigans belong to the same genus, and named them Enchiridion imperator and Enchiridion navigans. The genus name honored Welnhofer's late wife, Ingrid. Another genus name, Enchiridia, was also suggested as a reassignment of Tapejara navigans. Nonetheless, the authors of the proposal used Tapejara imperator as a type specimen, and because this happened several months after Tapejara imperator was renamed Tropeognathus, Enchiridia is now considered a junior synonym of the genera. Tapejara navigans was subsequently added to Tropeognathus in 2011. The cladogram below shows a phylogenetic analysis by Kellner, the describer of Tapejara, and colleagues in 2019. They recovered Tapejara within the Tapejarini, which is a tribe within the family Tapejaridae. Sister taxon of 3 other genera, Europajara, Kayuahara, and Tropeognathus. Species include the type, which is Tapejara welnhoferi. This species is the only one currently recognized as valid by most researchers. The specific name welnhoferi honors German paleontologist Peter Welnhofer. Although Tapejara is usually depicted as a piscivore, it is sometimes considered to have been a frugivore, or a fruit eater. It had a wingspan of 11.5 feet, or 3.5 meters. It has been discovered in the Santana Formation in Brazil. It lived during the Albion of the Cretaceous 112.6 to 109.0 million years ago, and fossil representation includes a well-preserved specimen. And with that, thank you for watching! Expect a Pterodactylus huge documentary coming sometime later on. I feel really happy for what this channel is achieving. The early Blue Whale The Aquarium episode surpassed 1,000 views, and our channel is on track to surpassing 600 subscribers soon. Expect a special 1,000 subscriber video on a really cool topic. Additionally, the Acrocanthosaurus Dinosaurs on Earth episode surpassed 2,000 views. Thank you for your support. As always, this is Enchiridion. See you next time.